Yeah, this is the current today's topic. This is the today's topic. Yeah, fine now. I think fine. Let's move little bit. Yeah, this is the today's topic. Don't miss these topics in compiler design. So yesterday I tried this, but unfortunately, right, internet is not cooperated. Some technical issues. So in the middle I stopped the yesterday's class. Same class is again repeating. Right, it will be useful to you. So please go ahead. Right, see this one. Don't miss these topics in compiler design. Don't miss these topics in compiler design. What are those? I will say clearly. What are those? I will say clearly. Please follow this. Right, please follow this. Please follow this. And before going to the actual topic, let me say one small thing to you. Before going to the actual topic, let me say one small thing. Right, so 22nd December means yesterday. 22nd December means yesterday. Right, at 8 p.m. yesterday 8 p.m. engineering mathematics is started by Satyamurthy sir in new batch. Right, Satyamurthy sir started the right 8 p.m. engineering mathematics in the Spark batch. So in that batch I used to teach, right, algorithm, data structures, programming, TOC, compiler design. In that batch I used to teach these 5 subjects. Right, so mathematics is started by the Satyamurthy sir. So those 5 subjects I will complete. Right, so those people who want to join for 2023 and 24 GATE, this is for 23-24 GATE, they can join by using the referral code ReddySarLive. Right, next one. See the next one now. See the next one. We started new batches. We are starting new batches. See, for all these are Unacademy new batches starting. Right, foundation plus Spark batch. Right, foundation. Right, so next one is batch for the GATE Arohan batch. So this is for CSIT, for other branches also available. So these are the new batches. Next one. Let's see this one. Arohan batch is started. Arohan batch, right, batch J. Arohan batch J started 2023 GATE exam purpose. Arohan batch J started. So in that batch I started at algorithms 6 p.m. In that batch I started algorithm 6 p.m. algorithm is started. Right, so right, 22nd it is started. Yesterday started. Right, so if anyone want to join in that, join with the code ReddySarLive. In that batch I started the algorithms. Right, I will complete data structures, programming, TOC and compiler design. Right, these 5 subjects combinedly will give approximately 40 marks. If you follow my classes, they are more than enough. For other subjects purpose, many teachers are there. You can follow whatever you like. Right, so 22nd onward started. Just introduction is over. Don't miss it. Next one. If you want to join Unacademy, if you want scholarship, you can write Unacademy Combat. The scholarship test, you can write Unacademy Combat. You can get the maximum discount. Every Sunday 11 a.m. there is Unacademy Combat. You can participate. You can get the maximum discount. Next one. You can join 2 years course right? You can join 2 years course, right? 2024. Those people who want to write the GATE exam in 2024, right? You can join now, 24 months purpose. 4 more months extra validity you will get if you subscribe today. If you subscribe today, only cost is going to be 42K. Cost is 42K only. Right. Now see, in the compiler, first important topic. In the compiler, first important topic is, so let me write here, first important topic, right? Counting number of tokens. First important topic is counting number of tokens. Counting number of tokens. In the compiler, first important topic is counting number of tokens. Please practice on this topic. 5 problems minimum. 5 problems minimum, please practice. Counting number of tokens. On this topic, please practice minimum 5 problems. Counting number of tokens. On this, right? On this topic, right? Please practice minimum 5 problems. If you can practice 5 problems for this topic, more than enough. Counting number of tokens, right? 5 problems practice. So I given example also how it look like. I give an example also how it look like. Please see this. I give an example also. The number of tokens in the following C statement is. The number of tokens in the following C statement is. Right? So this is the C programming statement. How many tokens are there? So tokens counting, you can practice one problem. So let's see how many tokens. Token number 1, token number 2. Double quote starting to double quotes ending. One more token 3. It is the 4. It is the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tokens total. 10 tokens total. So token finding, please practice 10 problems. Minimum 5 problems practice. Token finding, right? Minimum, right? Minimum 5 problems practice. 5 to 10 if you do, it is beneficial. Token finding, minimum 5 problems practice. Maximum 10 problems. 5 to 10 problems practice. Token finding, right? Minimum 5 problems practice. Maximum 10 problems. 5 to 10 problems please practice. 5 to 10 problems please practice. So this is from, right, one of the topic which you have to, right, which you have to study in compiler design, which is a very easy also. This is the one of the problem in compiler design, right? It is a very easy also, please follow this. Right? Fine. So let's see the next one. See the next one now. This is the next one. Maybe some blur happened, right? So next time I will take care. Next topic is going to be this one, 2. See the 2. Next topic. Finding first and follow. This is the second topic. Finding first and follow. First and follow. Next one. One more topic, 3. Draw LL1 parsing table. It is the one more topic. 4. Checking. Given grammar is. LL1 or not. Checking given grammar is LL1 or not. It is the one more topic. So this is also going to be very, very important topic. Finding first and follow. Next one. Draw LL1 parsing table. 4. Check given grammar is LL1 or not. We will see. See this one. See this problem. So drawing LL1 parsing table, it will come in the exam. Please take care. Please take care. Right? Draw the LL1 parsing table for the given grammar. So like this it will come. If not table, indirectly, directly table will come. Table directly may not come. Indirectly, directly table will come. So this kind of question, one question will come. Token finding, one question will come. And one more. LL1 parsing table construction will come. First and follow finding will come. right? So I think let's see this one. First topic is going to be tokens finding, second one is going to be first and follow finding, third one is going to be LL1 parsing table construction, fourth one is going to be checking given grammar is LL1 or not. On that, just I want to give one practice problem. So this is the practice problem. So let me construct the table for this. Let me construct the table for this. Can you help me now? How many variables are there? How many variables? 5 variables. So 5 rows. 5 variables, 5 rows. Let me write S, W, Y, Z, X. 5 variable, 5 rows. 5 variables, 5 rows. Next one, action, right? I think 5 variables, 5 rows. Next one. Next one. See the next one now. See the next one. 5 variables, 5 rows. That is fine. Next one. How many terminals are there? Plus $1 also. Those many columns. Those many columns. Can you say how many terminals are there? A terminal is there. I think B terminal also there. I think C terminal also there. I think D terminal also there. A there, B there, C there, and one more D. I think D also there. Lastly, $. So they are asking draw LL1 parsing table. Indirectly, directly in the GATE examination, LL1 parsing table will come. LL1 parsing table construction, checking given grammar is LL1 or not. Finding first and follow. Finding first and follow. So please be careful. So let's start. Let's start. So let me give production numbers. Production number 1 here, production number 2 here, production number 3 this. It is a 4, it is a 5, it is a 6, it is a 7, it is a 8, it is a 9. 9 productions are there. Remember, S productions will goes to S row, W productions will goes to W row, Y productions will goes to Y row, Z productions will goes to Z row, X productions will goes to X row, right? Let me change the color. Let me change the color. Can you help me now? Where production number 6 will go? I am filling randomly. I am filling randomly. Where production number 6 will go? Production number 6 will goes to, because of it is a Z production, Z row. But right column is going to be 6th production. First of A means A. I think 6th production will go to Z row A column. Can you say where the 7th production will go? Z row and D column. 7th production will goes to Z row D column. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? Where the 4th production will goes to? Y row C column. Y row C column. 4th production will goes to Y row C column. Right? That is fine. Until now it's okay. Until now. I think let me cancel. I think 7 over, 6 over, 4 also over. 4 also over. Let's see remaining people. Let's see remaining people. Can you help me? Can you help me one small line? Where the second production will go? Can you guess where the second production? Second production belongs to W variable. So W row. What about column? Column will goes to be first of ZXY. First of ZXY. First of ZXY. So second production will goes to first of ZXY means first of Z. First of Z. What is the first of Z? AD. First of Z is AD. First of Z is AD. So second production will goes to W row. Column is going to be first of ZXY means first of Z. First of Z is going to be A and D. So A and D second production will go. So W row A and D second production. First of Z is A and D. That's perfect. That's perfect. Can you help me now? Where the third production will go? First of XY. Third production will goes to first of XY. It may be trouble you careful. First of XY means first of X. First of XY. First of X. I think space not there. I will try here. I will try here. See this one. First of XY. Third production will goes to where? Third production will goes to where? Third production will goes to first of XY. First of XY means first of X. First of XY means first of X. First of X. What is first of X? First of xy is first of x. What is first of x? First of x is going to be first of xb, comma, first of epsilon. First of epsilon is epsilon, it's okay, right? First of xb. First of xb means first of x. What is the first of x? Again same. First of x contain, small mistake people will do here, please be careful. xb, comma, first of epsilon, right? So first of x, right? First of xb means first of x. First of x means both will come, it's okay. This is calling first of x. So see everyone, first of x calling first of x, no use, that's okay. But one thing, right? First of x contain not only this, first of x contain epsilon also. What is the meaning? The meaning of this line is going to be, here maybe people done small mistake, please verify. So first of x is going to be, this side no use, this side epsilon came. So this is finally epsilon, means this is finally epsilon. This is epsilon means go here, B. So first of x contain this also, this also. From this side B came. From this side epsilon is came. So finally first of xy contain, first of xy contain, first of x. First of x contain, first of x contain B and epsilon. So this is going to be B and epsilon. Because of epsilon, go here also. Y, first of y. What is the first of y? Check. What is first of y? Verify, verify. It is a very serious one. What is the first of y? C and epsilon. C and epsilon. Because of epsilon, cancel this also. I think final answer is BC epsilon. That is fine. BC epsilon. So first of xy is BC epsilon. See, first of xy is BC epsilon. I think it is a BC epsilon. Because of epsilon, cancel. Go further. Further not there. So first of W. Sorry, follow of W. Follow of W. What is the follow of W? What is follow of W? Follow of W is, right? Follow of W is, follow of W is follow of S, which is going to be dollar. So finally, remember, right? Third production will goes to B. Because of epsilon, yi will go C. Because of epsilon, follow of W, which is going to be follow of S, which is dollar. So what I want to say indirectly, directly, third production will goes to W row, it's okay. Columns are going to be BC dollar, BC dollar, BC dollar. It is a very tricky question. It is a very tricky question I want to explain to you. It is a very tricky question I want to explain to you. Very less people will get this problem. Very less people. Very less people. It is a very, very dangerous problem. So third production, that is the story. So let me write once. So second is completed, third is completed, fourth completed, sixth completed, seventh completed. Now can you help me now? Where one will go? Very, very tricky one. Where one will go? One will goes to first of W. What is first of W? First of W is going to be this one. First of W is going to be this also. So this is given AD, this is given first of XY we are already done, BC dollar. So finally first production will goes to AD BC dollar, AD BC dollar, A D B C dollar. See, almost everywhere came. You may do small mistake, please rectify. You may do small mistake, please rectify. Small mistake you may do, please rectify. That is right. So which production it is? First production. Can you help me now? Which one is missed out? I think, can you help me now? Where the fifth production will go? Fifth production will goes to follow of Y. Fifth production will goes to follow of Y. Let's check. What is follow of Y? Fifth production will goes to follow of Y. What is follow of Y? Follow of Y is follow of W, which is going to be dollar. Follow of Y is equal to follow of W. Follow of Y is equal to follow of W. I think only dollar. I think fifth production will goes to Y row dollar. So fifth also completed. Let's go to 8th and 9th, which may be difficult. Please be careful. 8th and 9th you have to take care. Can you help me now? Where the 8th production will go? Where the 8th production will go? 8th production will goes to first of xb. So I think we are already having 8th production will goes to first of xb. First of xb means first of x. First of x means first of xb, first of epsilon. First of xb means first of x. First of x calling first of x no use, right? But one thing, first of x means epsilon also. Keep epsilon. So this is b. This is b. I think first of xb is b. First of xb is b because of x is epsilon, b came. So 8th production will goes to x row b. 8th here. Can you say what about 9th production? 9th production will goes to follow of x. 9th production will goes to follow of x. We don't know where I done. Let's see. Let's see this one. So 9th production will goes to follow of x. Can you say what is the follow of x? See the grammar and talk. Where is the follow of x? See the grammar and talk. Follow of x, right? So 9th production will goes to follow of x. What is the follow of x? Follow of x is first of y. Follow of x is first of y 2 times. Follow of x is first of y. Follow of x is first of y. What is the first of y? C. Because of epsilon. Because of epsilon. Right? Follow of w also. Right? Follow of x is first of y. Y is going to be c and epsilon. Because of epsilon, follow of w also, which is dollar. Follow of x is first of y, which is going to be c and epsilon. Because of epsilon, follow of w also, which is dollar. I think answer is going to be c and dollar. C and dollar. C and dollar. Right? C and dollar. Please be careful. Right? 9th production will goes to c and dollar. C and dollar. Let me write now. 9th production will goes to C also and dollar also. Please check carefully. 9th production. Where the first production will go? First of xb. First of xb means first of x. Epsilon. So b will come. Right? Where the 9th production will goes to? Where the 9th production will goes to? I think see this is the small mistake where serious problem will come. Serious problem. 9th production will goes to follow of x. Follow of x is here. Follow of x is here. Follow of x is here also b. Follow of x is here also b. So 9th production will goes to b also. 9th production will goes to b also. I think here. See if anyone done this mistake, right? I think serious problem will come. Remember, because of this one, it is not LL1. What is asking? Draw the LL1 parsing table for the given grammar. This is the LL1 parsing table. So finally, given grammar not LL1. Given grammar is not LL1. I constructed the table in a particular entry, multiple productions came. So this is not LL1. In a particular entry, multiple productions came. This is not LL1. This is not LL1. Please check if anyone having doubt. Please check if anyone having doubt. So my suggestion to everyone. Remember everyone. In compiler, one of the important topic. First topic is, what is the first topic? Tokens finding. First topic, tokens finding. Second topic, first and follow. Second topic, first and follow. Next one, third topic. First one is tokens finding. Second one is first and follow. Third one is going to be LL1 parsing table construction. Fourth one, LL1 checking LL1 or not. Checking LL1 or not. Second one is first and follow finding. Third one is LL1 parsing table. Fourth one is going to be LL1 or not. Given a grammar LL1 or not. So please take care. These are very, very important things. Please take care. These are very, very important things. Please take care. Anyone having doubt, please check. Anyone having doubt, please check. Anyone having doubt, please check. Please check if anyone having doubt. These are the 4 important topics which you have to study. Now see the next one. In Unacademy learning app, if you see on the home screen, there is a button like tests. If you click on that, you will find out test series. If you click on that, you will find out different tests are there. Branch wise different tests are there. So topic wise tests are there, subject wise, grand test, monthly, mock test, right? So you can practice a lot of questions from here. Don't verify here and there. Don't verify here and there. If you verify here and there, lot of time will waste. Please use this. On Unacademy learning app home screen, you will see tests. Click on that, test series will come. So many tests are there, you can practice it. Next one, Unacademy learning app, whenever class going on, if you have any doubt, you can use raise a hand option. Using raise a hand option, you can communicate with the teacher. You can communicate with the teacher and you can discuss all your doubts. So it's one of the extraordinary thing which is available Unacademy learning app. Please utilize. With the audio call, you can talk with the teacher when class is going on. It is a far better than offline classes. Far better. Because board is clear, voice is clear, everything clear. In offline class, right, you may not able to see the board. You may not able to listen the voice properly. But here everything is there, recording also there. It's a perfect one. Next one, all the toppers videos we are already kept. They shared their experience. If you want to see those videos, just scan the QR code, you can watch it. Next one, Unacademy learning app, if you see the home screen, right, home screen, there is an option like doubts and solution. Click on that. It will ask which doubt you want to ask, right? So choose from gallery or take a picture, crop it and send. Within 24 hours, you will get the reply. Within 24 hours, you will get the reply. Next one. If you have an iconic subscription, you can do one-to-one session with the mentors. If you have an iconic subscription, you can do one-to-one session with the mentor. You can discuss your doubts. You can clarify your concepts. So those people who want to join, my sincere suggestion, please join iconic subscription. Next one. So there is all India mock tests are available for GATE 2022. All India mock tests are available for GATE 2022 from 2nd January to 30th January. Please enroll for this. All India mock tests are available for GATE 2022, right, from January 2 to 30. Enroll this. Next one, if you subscribe today for 1 year, 1 year, 2 more months extra validity you will get for GATE 2023 people, only for 29K. Utilize this. Next one. So in LR parser, what is important? See this one. LR0 parsing table construction, SLR1 parsing table construction, LALR1 parsing table construction, CLR1 parsing table construction. Next one. Checking given grammar is, right, LR0 or not, SLR1 or not, LALR1 or not, CLR1 or not. Right, these are the topics from the LR parsers. I want to give one example, so I will explain this one. I will explain with the help of this example. Right, so this kind of question you can expect in the exam. That is, consider the grammar. One grammar is given. Let the number of states in SLR1, LR1, LALR1 parsers for the grammar be N1, N2, N3 respectively. The following relationship hold goods. Right, something like that. Is saying that for the given grammar, if you construct SLR1, LR1 means everyone knows CLR1. Remember, LR1 means CLR1. Both are same. For the given grammar, if you construct LR1 means CLR1, right? So SLR1, CLR1, LALR1 states are N1, N2, N3 respectively. What the relation hold good between them? We'll see now. Because of he is asking, right? CLR1 also, LALR1 also. With LR1 items you have to create. Let's check. Let's check here one time. See this one, s dash goes to dot s comma dollar. S dash goes to dot s comma dollar. Because of dot s, s goes to. Because of dot s, s goes to. What is the answer? All s productions from grammar. Dot open bracket s closure bracket. Right? Because of dot s, all s possibilities. Dot a. From where this person is came from here. What is the look ahead symbol? Further which will come? Dollar. This is I0. This is I0. Everyone know. This is I0. On I0, if I apply yes, on I0, if I apply yes, only one, no need to write also. Right? Only yes, right? No need to write also. But anyhow, let me write. Because he is asking number of states, then write everything. If you are asking number of states, then write everything. S dot comma dollar. It is 1. Because if he is asking number of states, right, you have to write everything. Next one, on this state if I give a, it will goes to sa dot comma dollar. Because of he is asking number of states, then write everything. I2. Can you say on this state if I give open bracket? See this one, on this state if I give open bracket if I give, then what will happen? S goes to open bracket dot s closure bracket comma dollar. Because of dot s, s possibilities from grammar. S goes to dot open bracket, right? Dot open bracket s closure bracket, right? Dot a also. Because of it came from here. Look at symbol is closure bracket. This is I think I3. This is I3. Please check the grammar if I done anything wrong. It's I3. Until now everything is fine. Now listen everyone. On this state if I give yes, right, it will goes to s goes to open bracket s dot closure bracket comma dollar. Only one person, actually not required, because of number of states I have to write. It is the I4. Next one, on this state if I write the open bracket, what will happen? On this state if I write the open bracket, what will happen? Let's check here. S goes to open bracket dot s closure bracket comma closure bracket. Because of dot s, s possibilities from grammar. Dot open bracket s closure bracket dot a. It is came from here. Look at symbol is closure bracket. I think if you observe clearly, it is I4, it is I5. It's I4, it is I5, it's okay. Listen now. I3 state and I5 state, if you observe, both are exactly same, differ by only look ahead. Please check. Both are exactly same, differ by only look ahead. Indication that two states are differ by only look ahead. They are two different states in CLR1. But in the case of LALR1, they both are right. In the case of LALR1, you have to merge them. Those two becomes one. So I think here itself you can say CLR1 having more state, LALR1 having less states. I think problem over. The only confusion I have is CLR1, LALR1, how many states are there? Now I got conclusion. Can anyone help me now? CLR1, how many states? SLR1 is N1. CLR1 is N2. Right? LALR1 is N3. It is a N3. I think by observing CLR1 and LALR1, right? LALR1 having less, CLR1 having more. Because in the CLR1, if two people differ by only look ahead, they are different. But in the LALR1, both are same. So comparing N3 and N2 will be more. But you know very well, SLR1, LALR1 always contains same number of states. So because of that reason, N1 is equal to N3, true, which is less than N2. This is the answer. B is the answer. N1 is equal to N3, which is less than N2. Some problem, N3 is equal to N2. Right? So some problem, N1, right? Some problem, N3 is equal to N2. That time this is correct. Right? N1 is equal to N3, which is equal to N2. Right? Sometimes C is correct answer. Sometimes B is correct answer. Sometimes C, sometimes B. For this grammar, B is the answer. For this grammar, B is the answer. For some grammar, C is the answer. But for any grammar, either B or C is the answer. It cannot be A, no way at all. It cannot be D also. The only answer which will satisfy for any grammar is going to be either B or C. B or C. For this problem, only B. For this problem, only B. If you take any grammar for this kind of problem, either B will work or C will work. But for this problem, B will work. B will work. B is the answer. For this one, B is the answer. Careful. B is the answer for this problem. It is a nice problem. So the expected areas, let me write once again. The expected areas I am writing. First one, tokens. Token counting is the first one. Second one, first and follow. Second one, first and follow. Third one, LL1 parsing table. Fourth one, LL1 checking. Given grammar LL1 or not. Next one, fifth one, LR0 parsing table. SLR1 parsing table. LALR1 parsing table. CLR1 parsing table. So careful. That is the fifth one. Sixth one, checking given grammar LR0 or not, SLR1 or not, CLR1 or not, LALR1 or not. Checking given grammar LR0 or not, SLR1 or not, CLR1 or not, LALR1 or not. So these are the 6 areas where you can expect the question. These are the 6 areas where you can expect the question. Please be careful. Right? Next one. So next one, right? To explain that, I given one more example. See, 2 sets are there. At the set 1, where in LR1 means CLR1. One more problem I want to explain, so I am explaining now. It is the set 1 of CLR1. What is the meaning? It is the one of the state. Assume I1. It is the one more set. It is the I2. These are the 2 sets of two states of CLR1. These are the 2 states of CLR1. I think if you observe clearly, I think what is the answer? LR, right? If you observe clearly, productions are same exactly, but lookouts only different. In the case of CLR1, if 2 states are differ by only look ahead, they are 2 different states. In the case of CLR1, if 2 states are differ by only look ahead, they are 2 different states. Right? But in the case of LALR1, right, you have to make them as one. Now see what happened. These 2 states are differ by only look ahead. CLR1, they are differ. See what they are doing. Which one of the following statements related to merging of the 2 sets in the corresponding LALR1 parser is? Yeah, you know very well. Because of these 2 differ by only look ahead, right? In the case of LALR1, you will make it as one state. The name of this state is going to be I12. One state only, name is I12. So what you do at that time? X goes to C dot X. X goes to dot CX. Don't worry about the meaning. X goes to dot D. Can you say what about look aheads? See the look aheads. What about look ahead? Can you help me in the first one? What is the look ahead? CRD. In the second one, dollar. Just add dollar. What is there in that? Can you say what about the first one here? CRD. This is dollar. What about here? First one, CRD. This is dollar. So this is the story. So if you make 2 states as one state, same production, look aheads just to do union. This is called LALR1. This is called LALR1, one of the state. State number is I12. Previously 2 states, now it is only 1 state. Now let's see any conflict. Let's see any conflict. Anyone completed here? Anyone complete? No one completed. Where is the conflict? No conflict. If one read, you see, to get the conflict SR are required. To get the conflict RR are required. So to get the conflict, right, definitely R required. SR also R is there, RR also R is there. Without R, how conflict possible? So here there is no R. Because of no R, SR not possible. Because of no R, RR also not possible. So no conflict. So given grammar is LALR1. Now see what he is asking. Which of the following statements related to merging of the two sets in the corresponding LALR1 parser are false? So some options are given. Which one of the following statements related to merging of the sets in the corresponding, right? False is asking, right? Once, right, is asking false. See the first one. Cannot be merged since look aheads are different. So wrong. You can merge. That is the reason we are merging. Next one. Can be merged but will result in SR conflict. No. Can be merged but will result in RR conflict. No. Cannot be merged since go to and C will lead to 2 different sets. Cannot be merged since go to and C will lead to 2 different sets. Can you help what he is asking? Which one of the following statements related to merging of the 2 sets in the corresponding LALR1 parser is false? False is asking. See the first one. Cannot be merged since look aheads are different. Wrong. Can be merged but result into SR conflict. Can be merged but will result in RR conflict. Cannot be merged since go to and C will lead to 2 different states. 2 different states. Can you verify once? Can you verify once? Anything else? Both are same or not? Same. Differ by only look ahead. Differ by only look ahead, and one more. No one, right? No one is completed. No one is completed. No one is completed. Definitely no problem. Right? Is asking which one of the following is false. Cannot be merged since look aheads are different. Can be merged. Can be merged but will result in SR conflict. Can be merged but will result in RR conflict. Cannot be merged since go to and C will leads to different states. Is asking which is false. 1 only, 2 only, 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So can you help which one is false? Which one is false? Which one is false? Is not asking true. Which one is false? Can be merged. I think all are false. Check. He is asking which one is false. I think all are false. 1, 2, 3, 4 false. 1, 2, 3, 4 false. I think D is the answer. Cannot be merged since go to and C will lead to 2 different sets. Check once. Check once. I think answer is D, which is false. 1 false, 2 false, 3 false, 4 false. Answer is D. It's an excellent question. It's an excellent question. Please take care. It's an excellent question. Please take care. So these are the areas where you will get the questions. I listed out also. 6 areas I listed out. 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 Answer is 4th option. Answer is 4th option. Now see the some more. See the some more. See this one. Write SSA for the given intermediate code. Right? So because of it is not clear, I am writing again. Write SSA. Write SSA for the given intermediate code. Write SSA for the given intermediate code. This is the one question which you can expect. Right? Let's see one problem of that. Let's see one problem of that. See, consider the following intermediate program in 3 address code. Consider the following intermediate program in the 3 address code. This is the intermediate code in the 3 address code. Which one of the following correspond to a static single assignment from the above code? Which one of the following correspond to a static single assignment from the above code? Above code. Let's see this one. Let's see. See everyone now. A minus B will goes to where? P. A minus B will goes to P. They kept P1, it's okay. A minus B will goes to P1. That is fine. That is fine. Next one. Can I help you now? A minus B will goes to, see this one. A minus B, let me ask you. Let me write. A minus B will goes to P1. Next one. See the next one. So, there P there I written P1. A minus B will goes to P. P there I written P1. That's fine. Now what is this one? P1 into C will goes to where? Q. So I written Q1. Just give, rename. Every time on the left hand side of assignment operator left side, please give rename. Please give rename. That is the meaning of static single assignment. Please give rename, right? Assignment operator left side. For every person, please give rename. Next one. So P1 is equal to A minus B. So this is previously P, because of I renamed P1 into C will goes to Q1. What is the next? What is the next? U into V will goes to where? P. But remember, in the static single assignment, left hand side, you cannot use the same name again. So because of it the P, just give P2. Don't give the same name. Left hand side of the assignment, two people cannot have same name. That is the meaning of static single assignment. One person having one meaning. Some people are asking, why are you given rename here? P already having some meaning. I don't want to give another meaning to the P, so I renamed it. Next one. Why I written the Q1 here? Q already having some meaning, so I don't want to change the Q. So I given the rename Q1. So it is a P2. What is the next one? What is the next one? So this P means what? This P means what? Nearest P. What is the answer? P2. Plus, what is the meaning of this Q? Nearest Q, Q1. Will goes to Q. So previously Q1 you written. Now you cannot use the same Q2. Static single assignment. So this is the answer for this. Nothing. Very simple. Very simple. Left hand side person, all the people give different names. Left hand side people, all the people give different names. So two places, see, two places P is there. Left hand side, two places P there. Just give P1 here, just give P2. Next one, left hand side, two Qs are there. Give different name. Q1 here, Q2. Over, bacha. And one more thing, because of previously P, it is the P. Now P1, it is the P1. Previously it is the P, it is the P. Now it is the, this P means P2. Previously this is Q, this Q means Q2. Over, that is the answer. Just to go to left hand side, just every person give rename. Every person give rename. That is called as SSA. Can you say which option is matching? A or B or C or D? Let's check. P1 is equal to A minus B. P1 is equal to A minus B. What is the next one? Q1 is equal to P1 into C. Q1 is equal to P1 into C. This is also okay. Q1 is equal to P1 into C. I think over. Can you help me? What are the three? What is the next one? P2 is equal to. P2 is equal to. Please check if I done anything wrong. Please verify. Please verify if anything wrong. P1 is equal to A minus B. Everyone right. Next one. Q1 is equal to P1 into C. Q1 is equal to P1 into C. Verify if anything wrong. Maybe while copying something I done wrong, I don't know. Can you check once? P1 is equal to A minus B. Q1 is equal to P1 into C. Right. Until now, okay. Next one. P2 is equal to U into V. So A cannot be further because see left hand side same P1 twice. So A cannot be answer. A cannot be answer. Next one, see the B now. P1 is equal to A minus B. Q4 is equal to P3 into C. So no. So see the option C. P1 is equal to A minus B. Q1 is equal to P2 into C. P2 into C. No. Let's go to the D. P1 is equal to A minus B. Q1 is equal to P1 into C. P1. I think small mistake maybe. Right? Next one. P2 is equal to U into V. Q2 is equal to P2 Q1. Yeah, I think some labels are missing. See, labels also missing here. See this one. Here labels missing. Nothing there. Same answer, only labels missing. While copying maybe, right? While writing maybe I written small mistake. Please be careful. Labels, if some other label you can doubt me, right? Labels missing, just labels missing. P2 Q1. So anyhow answer is option D. Some small misunderstanding, please check. Small misunderstanding, please check. Yeah, that's fine. Option D. See, SSA is very simple. Left hand side people, please rename everyone. Left hand side people, please rename everyone. Everyone rename. Left hand side. Everyone rename. Just here labels missing. Just here labels missing. Other than this, nothing there. So option D, just below labels are missing. I'm really sorry, right? I thought everything is fine, but small mistake is there. Answer is option D. See, ABC no relation at all. ABC no relation at all. Right? D is the perfect answer. The only thing is labels missing. Right. Perfect. So, see everyone now. So, the expected areas in compiler. I am writing again. The expected areas in compiler. First one, tokens. The expected areas in compiler, tokens finding. First one. Second one, first and follow. Third, LL1 table construction. 4. Checking LL1 or not. Checking given grammar LL1 or not. 5. LR0 parsing table. SLR1 parsing table. LALR1 parsing table. CLR1 parsing table. So parsing tables they may ask you. Please careful. Next one, sixth one. Checking given grammar LR0 or not. Checking given grammar SLR1 or not. Checking given grammar LALR1 or not. Checking given grammar CLR1 or not. So this is the sixth one. See the seventh one. SSA writing. Please practice 5 problems. Please practice here also 5 problems. Please practice here also 5 problems. Here also 5 problems you do. These are also 5 problems each you do. Then almost compiler is over. These are the important points. Seventh one, these are the important ones. Let's see next one. Right, in the next chapter, what are the important ones? See this one. Draw DAG. SSA important, DAG also important. So I give in one example. DAG for the given right. Listen everyone now, for the given intermediate code drawing the DAG. For the given intermediate code drawing the DAG important. DAG is important. For the given intermediate code drawing the DAG important, right. So observe the code. DAG is very simple. Observe the code. Observe the code. When you observe the code, I think these two codes are same. When you observe the code, please check anything are same. Anything is same, please verify. Just observe the code. Anything is same. I think E and H is same. Verify. So let me write E. What the answer? A plus B. A plus B. Like this. A plus B. Directed acyclic graph. It is the A plus B, which is E. Next one. Next one. E minus C. E minus C. E minus C, which is going to be F. Next one. Next one. See this one. Next one. F into D. F into D. This is the F. F into D. F into D, which is G. Until here fine. I think three things happened till now. Till now three things happened. Nothing is repeated also. Until now no repetition. Now listen. A plus B is equal to H. I think it is actually E. This is H also. Next one. I minus C is equal to I. I minus C is equal to I. I minus C is equal to I think C already there. I also required. I minus C. I minus C. I minus C is I. Next one. I plus G. I plus G. I plus G, which is going to be J. I think that's it. The only minimization I can do. The only minimization I can do is A plus B. The only minimization I can do is A plus B. Please check if I can do any minimization. Only one place I can do minimization. Only one place I can do minimization. Can you recheck once? Can you recheck once? In this DAG, how many nodes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. 10 nodes are there. 10 nodes are there. In this DAG, 10 nodes. How many edges? Count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think 10 edges. 10 edges. Please verify properly. 5 and 5, 10 nodes and edges. If you see 2 plus 2, 4, 6 and 8 and 10. Yeah, 10 vertices, 10 nodes and 10 edges. Ten nodes, 10 edges. DAG creation. See nothing. Whenever someone asked you DAG, please identify anything common. Just identify anything common. Only I think one only common. Check. Instead of doing blindly, when you don't have any idea, then do blindly. Right? When you verify, if you find out something common, please do like this. So DAG you may get in the exam. You may get DAG in the exam. Please be careful. You may get DAG in the exam. Please be careful. Let's see one more problem. Let's see one more problem. See one more problem I written. See this one. One more problem. One more problem for DAG creation. See this. I think after seeing the code, careful. After seeing the code, please go right side. Please verify anything common. Anything common. Just go right side. Anything common? Yes. I think B plus C common. B plus C common, which is A. B plus C common, which is A. 2 times coming. We can reuse it. 2 times coming, we can reuse it, that's okay. B plus C is A. Next one, A plus 1, A plus 1, A plus 1, which is going to be E. And B plus C is D also. This is D also. Next one, D plus 1 is F. It is a F also. It is F also. Next one. What is the answer? E plus F, plus operator. E plus F. E also this only, F also this only. It is a nice problem. This is given in the last year GATE exam. This is a nice problem. It is given in the last year GATE exam. It is given last year GATE exam. Can you count once? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 notes. Next one. Let's see the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 edges. 6 edges. This is given in the last year GATE exam. This is given in the last year GATE exam. This is given in the last year GATE exam. So please use. So he is asking the number of nodes in the DAG is 6. The number of nodes in the DAG is 6. The number of nodes in the DAG is 6 will be there. In a compiler, this code segment is represented internally as a directed acyclic graph. The number of nodes in the DAG is 6. Careful, DAG may come in the exam. Right? So remember intermediate code. Remember intermediate code. Right? This is the thing which you can expect. SSA may come, or SSA may come, or DAG may come. Be careful. Do 5 problems for this. Do 10 problems for this. Over, game over. 5 problems for SSA, 10 problems for DAG you do. 5 problems for SSA, 10 problems for DAG you do. 5 problems for SSA, 10 problems for DAG you do. Right? Fine, perfect. Now let's go to the next one. See, next important point is live variable. Next one is going to be live variable. And SDT also. Live variable and SDT also. Let's see few problems. Live variable, see the answer. One problem I want to explain, so I given this. Live variable, one problem I want to explain, I written this problem. Can you read the problem? Right. So the program below uses 6 temporary variables A, B, C, D, E, F. Right. Next one, A, B, C, D, F. That's okay. Some conditions are given. The program uses 6 temporary variables A, B, C, D, E, F. That's okay. Temporary variables normally will store in where? Main memory. Temporary variable normally will store in main memory. Right. Registers are separate. That is a different story. Right. So comparing main memory, registers are superior. You know this very well. Next one, assuming that all operations take their operands from registers only. Remember, if you want to do any operation, right, so those operands should be in the registers only. What is the minimum number of registers needed to execute this program without spilling? Listen, suppose assume that, what is the meaning of spilling? I am writing spilling. See this one, I am writing spilling. What is the meaning of spilling? See everyone, what is the meaning of spilling? I am writing. See, this is the meaning of spilling. See this one, this is the meaning of spilling. What is the meaning of spilling? I am writing. Assume that R1 value already 5. Assume R1 value already 5. Assume. So if I keep T1 is equal to R1, what is the meaning? R1 value you are storing in the T1. This is called spilling. You are storing register data in temporary variable temporarily, so that you can keep in that register some other data. That is called spilling. This is called spilling. R1 is equal to 5, right? T1 is equal to R1. What is the meaning? Temporarily you are keeping R1 data in the T1. This is called spilling. This is called spilling. So without spilling means this is not allowed. These kind of things not allowed. Without spilling means these kind of things not allowed. Please be careful. Right? Let's see. So he is asking, if you want to do any operation, operand should be there in the register. First condition. It's the first condition. If you want to do any operation, operand should be in the register. And one more, right? Without spilling. Spilling is not allowed. Spilling is not allowed. Spilling is not allowed. Let's start. Now he is asking minimum number of registers how many needed to execute this. Let's see here. Let's see. Right, let's see everyone. This is R1. Yeah, fine. Something is missing. So I'm writing here. Now listen. This is R1. A will goes to R1. A will goes to R1. Now R1 is A, means 1. This is R2. This is R2. R2 is B. Because if you want to do any operation, both the things should be there in the registers. So listen everyone now. I want to do A plus B. I want to do A plus B. If you want to do A plus B, both should be there in the registers. So let's see. R1 plus R2 I done. R1 plus R2 I done. Where he is storing? R1 plus R2 is done. Where he is storing? R1 plus R2 is done, but where he is storing? Can I store in the R1? You only say. You only say this is A, this is B, this is the D, this is the D. Can I store R1 plus R2 in R1? Can I store? Can I store R1 plus R2 in R1? So if I store in R1, D becomes now R1. Means you lose the A. But one small question I want to ask you. You lose the A, it's okay. But are you using A anywhere further? Are you using A anywhere further? No. So I think you can use it happily. R1 is equal to R1 plus R2 you can do. Because anyhow you are not using A further. You are not using A further. You can happily store. So remember there is no A from now onwards. No A from now onwards. R2 is B, R1 is D. Be careful. Be careful. Right? Fine. Now see the next one. I think this operation is completed. Now see the next one. C plus D required. C plus D. I think D means R1, it's okay. D means R1, it's okay. But what about C? Every operand should be there in the register. What about C? For the C purpose can I use? For the C purpose can I use R2? R2 means B. Is B required further or not? B required further or not? Can you help you now? B required further? B required further or not? Please verify. I want to do C plus D. D is R1. C, which one I can keep C? Can I keep in the C place? Can I keep in the C place R2? Means I will lose B. Is B required further? B required further, it's okay. But this is the new B. B changing. This is the new B. I think B no one using. B no one using. I think you can use right here R2. Which will goes to R1 plus R2. Which will goes to R1 plus R2. Which will goes to E. Which will goes to E. Can you help me now? E purpose can I use R1? E purpose can I use R1? E purpose can I use R1? R1 means D. Can I use D? Is D required further? Yes, it is required. Is D required further? Please verify. D required further or not? D required further or not? Someone using D. Someone is using D. This is also completed. Someone using D or not? Someone using D, but this is the new D, not old D. I think you can reuse. I think you can reuse. So E, I am writing R1. E goes to C plus D. E goes to C plus D. I can reuse it. So remember everyone. Remember everyone. So this is the case. So R1, R2 I am using. I think this is completed. So this is completed. So what is the answer? C plus D completed. Let's go for C plus E. C plus E. What is the C? R2. What is the E? R1. Is going to be F. Is going to be F. Can you help me one small line now? Right? It's going to be F. Can I use R1? R1 means E. Can I use R1? Now I think everyone knows C plus E going on. Can I use R1? Can I use R1? If I use R1, I will lose E, but E required afterwards. Can I use C? Can I use R2? R2 means C. Can I use C? I think C required afterwards. I think there is no other way you have to bring R3. Here there is no other way you have to bring R3. You have to bring R3. Please be careful. Right? So I think this is also completed. C plus E completed. C plus E completed. It's the A plus B, that's fine. Right? We cancelled this, that's okay. Now it is the C plus D. It is the C plus D. We cancel this, that's okay. Here unable to cancel. In this line unable to cancel. In this line unable to cancel because same thing is coming again. C plus E, which is going to be R2, R1. Which will goes to, what is the answer? B. B. So can you help me now? B means which one I can use it? Which one I can use it? B coming. Can I use C? C means what? R2. Can I use R2? Is C coming further? No one. I think happily you can use R2. Right? You can cancel this. The C and E, I cancelled C. So I can happily use this. Next one. Next one, can you help me now? Next one is going to be B plus F. B plus F. What is the B? R2. What is the F? R3. F is R3. F is R3 is equal to E. E. Which register I can use? Where is the R1 now? R1 is E. Can I use R1? E coming further. E coming further. E coming further, but it is a new E. So no problem at all. You can happily use it. So what is the answer? R1 you can use it. R1 you can use it. So this is also completed. Now what is the next one? 5 plus E. 5 plus E. Remember 5 plus E means R1. Can I use here? Can I use here R2? Can I use here R2? Is B coming further? No. B is not coming further. You can use it happily. Which will goes to D. Which will goes to D. Can I use R3? Yes. What is the R3 contain? F. I think F is required afterwards. Don't use it. F is required afterwards. Don't use it. F is required afterwards. Don't use it. So which one I can use then? I think you can use R1. You can use R1. You can use R1 because E is not coming further. What is the last one? What is the last one? D plus F. D plus F. What is the D? R1. What is the F? R3. So over. So I want to say one thing to you. Those people who are having small doubt, please verify. 3 registers are more than enough. Code also I written. Roughly code also I written. Let me write little bit better way. See this one. See everyone now. This is first. Check properly. This is second. This is third. Verify properly. This is 4. this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, check properly, this is 7, check properly. So 3 registers are more than enough. Remember what is the meaning of spilling. Remember what is the meaning of spilling. Remember which is not right. Remember what is the spilling. Right? Fine. So answer for this one is right. Some people are saying question is not visible. This is the question here. The program below uses 6 temporary variables a, b, c, d, e, f. The program uses 6 temporary variables a, b, c, d, e, f. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. So those people who are not comfortable, right? So I can erase and I can do one time. See this, very simple. I can erase and I can write once. Use that person, reuse that person who is not going to come again. Who is not going to come again. So remember, this is the meaning of spilling. Remember, this is the meaning of spilling. So see this one. See everyone, what is the meaning of spilling? What is the meaning of spilling? One time see. What is the meaning of spilling? See, R1 is 5. If you write T1 is equal to R1, what is the meaning? Register data you are trying to keep temporary variable. This is called spilling. This is called spilling, but in the problem is mentioned without spilling. You cannot do spilling. Spilling means register R1 contain 5, but you are storing that R1 data 5 in one temporary variable. If you are doing this, this is called spilling, but question saying that without spilling. And one more, to do any operation, operand should be there in the register. To do any operation, operand should be there in the register. Two conditions. The first condition. Second one is without spilling. Two conditions are there. Right? So minimum registers how many? So very simple. Listen. It is R1. It is R1. It is R2. So R1 contain A. R1 contain A. R2 contain B. Careful. R1 contain A. R2 contain B. Now see this line. See this line now. See this line. It will contain now it will contain R1 is A. Remember now. I am writing here. R1 is A. R2 is B. Careful. So now this operation is going to be R1 plus R2. Right? R1 plus R2. What is the meaning? A plus B will goes to D. A plus B will goes to D. Right? So can you help now? Here D coming. Here D coming. A plus B will goes to D. Can you help now? D purpose one register required. D purpose one register required. Which register I can use? Which register I can? Can I take the new register or can I reuse them? Let's check. Can I take the new register or can I reuse them? Can you help now? In the further code if you see, at anywhere A there, in the further code if you see at anywhere A, no. I think A register you can give to D. I think this is D. This is D. So this is going to be R1. This is going to be R1 because A is not coming further. What A will do in the R1? So you can give right A register to D. See the next line. It is going to be C plus D. It is going to be C plus D. First of all, what is C? C is 20. C is 20, but every operand should be there in the register. I think D already there. C plus D required. D already there. But where I will take C? can I take C in the R2 means B. Can you help me in the further code anywhere B? I want to use the R2, B is there in the R2. I want to use the R2 for C, but let me check now in the further code anywhere B. Further code B there, but this is not old B, this is the new B. What is the meaning? This B if you lose also no problem, you can give this R2 to C. So this statement becomes, what is the answer? C means R2, D means R1 is equal to E. Can anyone help me now? E purpose, can I take another register or same? Someone else can I reuse? New one can I take or old one? Can you help me now? Can I reuse R1? R1 means what? D. Can I use R1? R1 means D. Can you help me? In further code, anywhere D coming. In further code, can you check anywhere D coming? D coming, but this is the new D. No problem. If you lose the D also, no problem. I think you can keep happily here. So R1 is not D, R1 is E. No problem. So this is also completed. Now let's come here. Here problem may come, be careful. Here problem may come, be careful. So this one, C plus E. What is the C? R2. What is the E? R1. Is equal to, C plus E is equal to F. Can you help me now? F purpose, can I take the new one? Can I reuse them? Remember, R2 contains C, R1 contains E. Can I replace by R1? If I replace by R1, I will lose E. But remember, E required further. I cannot replace. Can I replace by R2? R2 means C. So can I use R2 for F purpose? Means C you will lose, but C is coming further, so you cannot. So here another register R3. So remember, R3 is F. So this is over. Now see the next one. This one. This person C. What is the answer? C plus F. What is the meaning? R2 plus R1. Same. Not change. Is equal to B. Can anyone help me now? B purpose. Can I use R3? R3 contain F now. Can I use B purpose R3? If you use R3 for B purpose, F you will lose, but F will come afterwards. See, F will come afterwards. You cannot lose F. But can I use R1? R1 means what? E. So can I use R1? Means E can I lose? Can I lose E? E coming further, but it is a new E. So no problem. You can use R1 happily. So R1 is not E, R1 is B. Next one. I think this is over. Let's go to the C plus E over B plus F. What is B plus F? B means what? R1. F means what? R3. Will goes to which one? E. So can I use this one? Can I replace E, right, by R1? R1 already contain what? B. Can I use the B for the purpose of E? Can I use the R1 for the purpose of E? Then R1 contain E, but what about B? Is B coming further? No one. Happily you can use. Not coming, you can use it. So this is E. No problem. Next one. Can you help me now? What about this? 5 plus E. E means what? What is the meaning of E? R1. But one thing, every person should go inside the register. 5 also should go inside register. Can I take 5? Can I take 5 in R2? R2 contains C. C not required further. Happily you can take 5 here. It's R2. Right? Which will goes to D. Can I use D purpose? Can I use D purpose R3? No, R3 F required further. Don't use. Can I use D purpose R1? Can I use D purpose R1? R1 means E. Can I use or not? Yes, you can use. So I think what is the answer? D. This is the D. This is the D. Now what is the last one? D plus F. D means what? R1. F means what? R3. I think over. I think if you observe clearly, more than 3 registers are not required. And while doing this procedure, nowhere I done splitting, right? Spilling also. All operations I done in the registers only. See this one. Every operand should be there in the register. See the keywords. Spilling not allowed. I am not done spilling. If you want, you can check. Spilling not there. Second condition. Operand should be in register. Yes, that also I followed. No spilling, right? And operand should be in the register. 3. Please be careful. This is a very, very interesting one. Please careful. Now go to the one more. See this one. Live variable. So on live variable also questions can come. So to say that, I given one example. See this one. A variable x is said to be live variable at a statement SI in a program if the following 3 conditions hold good simultaneously. What are the first condition? Yes, right. A variable x is said to be live at statement SI in a program if the following 3 conditions hold good simultaneously. First condition. There exists a statement Sj that uses x. There is a path from Si to Sj in the following graph corresponding to the program. You know, live variable story. The path has no intervening assignment to x including at Si and Sj. Right? This is the live variable definition. Right? So one program is given. This is the program given. And is asking the variables which are live both at the statement in basic block 2 and the statement in the basic block 3. You want to say at this place how many people are live. He is saying both live. Who are live here also, who are live at second box also, third box also. Who are live at the second box also, third box also, you have to take care. So let's check once. Right? Let's check one. And in the second box, who are live, I will check. In the second box, R is live or not? See the definition. In the second box, R is live or not? First condition. If you want to say someone is alive here, so you have to make sure that that person will be useful either here or further. Right? I think he is useful here itself, no problem. Yes, it is alive. I think this person is useful here itself, no problem. It is also alive. And one more. What about V? I think V not used here, and V changing also. Not used here, changing, so it cannot be live. It is dead immediately. See, not using at the second place, V not used at the second place, V dead immediately, so it cannot be live. Next one. What about Q? Sorry. What about? Let's see this one. V already dead. That is okay. What about Q? Q dead. At this place, listen everyone now. At this place, if I want to check Q is live or not, first of all, no one using Q here. But Q here also not used. And Q changed also. Before changing, you have to use, but no one using. So Q is not live. Next one. Can you help me now? From this code, where you can go? Here. I think 1 you can go. Can you help me now? In the statement number 2, is Q live or not? No, not Q, P. Let's check the P. In the statement number 2, P live or not? If you want to say statement number 2, P live or not, right? Let me ask you one small line. Where is the P? From the 2 to 4 you can go. In the 2 also P not there, 4 also P not there. From the 4 you can go to 1. In the 1 P there, in the one P there, but before going to use P, you are changing it. What is the meaning? It is not old P, it is the new P. So P is not live. See, you have to use old people, that is called live. You have to use and old people only. New people you cannot use, old people only. Can you help me now? At this place, is it old R? Yes. At this place, is it old U? Yes. Here V is not at all used, right? V changing also, it is the new V. And one more thing, it is the new Q. And if you observe clearly, is it, see this one, is it new Q or old Q? Let's check. See, new Q. At this place, at this place already Q not used here, Q changed here. So it is going to be new Q, it is going to be new P. Some people are asking, sir, what about S? You are using S, but new S. Old people only have to use, that is called live. New people means they are new people. Right? Fine. So at this place, two people are live. Are you? Check if anyone having doubt. S is not live. Some people are asking, what about you? You already live. That's okay. So at the 2, RU is live. Let's go to the 3. Those people who are having small confusion, you can check at the 3 now. At the 3, you are using S. Old S only you are using. You are using old U only. No problem. I think Q dead immediately. See, Q not used, but immediately changed. So it is not. It is changed. Can you help me now? What about P? Let's check one by one. From the 3, can I go to 4? Yes, you can go. P here also not there. P here also not there. From 4, can I go to 1? Yes. P here there, but changing. So P is not live. P is not live. And one more beautiful thing is, you have to give those variables which are live in both. Here RU is live. Here also RU live or not? Let's check. U live. Let me try for R. Let me try for R is live or not. Can you help me now? R is live at the 3 or not? Let's check. Here R not there. Here R is there. See the interesting answer. Here R you are using. From 3 to 4 there is a path. That's okay. R is using. That is also okay. And one more. Old R only. Old R only. I think no problem. I think R also live. I think problem over. Here RU is live. Here also RU is live. You want both. Both live. At the 2 and 3 who are live. 2 also, 3 also who are live. I think RU. C is the answer. C is the answer. In one problem I cannot explain. It is not possible also. Right? So if you see the class, you will get the clear clarity. Right? You will get the clear clarity in the class. In the classroom, right? In the classroom, if you observe, you will get the clear clarity. In the classroom, if you observe, you will get the clear clarity. So answer is going to be R and U. Answer is going to be R and U. Let me write few questions. Few things I am writing, please see once. Yeah, few things I am writing, please see once. See everyone now. See everyone now. Live variable, please practice few problems. Live variable, please practice 5 problems. Next one. SSA, practice 5 problems. DAG, practice 10 problems. Next one. Tokens, practice 5 problems. More than that not required. Next one, LL1, LR0, SLR1, LALR1, CLR1. Right? For these 10 problems practice. Table also, table construction, right? Table construction, 10 problems practice. 10 problems practice. Indirectly, directly, this is the story. Indirectly, directly, this is the story. I said many things to you. This class is really useful to you. Please go through one time. Please go through one time. Tomorrow we'll see with some other new topic. Right? Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good night. Thank you so much. Good night.